Now let's look at a few ways that you can look at system information regarding state and health of a device. So first off, let's look at Show System Statistics. Alright, so this is going to show us some system information related to what's actually going on with protocols. For instance, we have TCP, and we're looking at numbers of packets, and we're looking at errors, and we're looking at control packets, and as we scroll down through, we can see that there is quite a bit of information here. And now we're on to UDP. Okay, this is showing 44 datagrams received. We also have IP. This is going to show some more protocols here. We have ICMP. This is pings, basically. It's going to show any pings that are coming or going. And we have IGMP. We have IPsec if you have any tunnels running. We have ARP requests, IP version 6, ICMP version 6, and it goes on. And like I said, there is quite a bit of information here. There's RDP, TTP, MPLS, VPLS, bridging information, and that's it. Alright, let's look at another command. This command will actually show what's going on with system processes. So let's enter the Show System Processes command. Alright, so this is going to give us information on different system processes, what they're doing, what the PID is of each process, what their status or statistics are. Now, as you can see, it's listing everything here, and it's telling you where some of these are located as well. Now, another way that we can look at some of the system information is with the Show Chassis command. Now, let's go ahead and hit the question mark here and see what our options are. As you can see, we can view any alarms that we might have set for different things on this device. If you have a device clustered, you can look at clustering information, and you can look at environment variables. Let's try environment here. Alright, so this is showing us system temperature. This is showing our routing engine temperature at 95 degrees and our routing engine CPU temperature at 98 degrees, which is within normal specifications and operating parameters. Now we have our fan status here and our power supply status. Alright, so let's look at some more variables. Alright, so another one we have here is firmware. So let's just look at what options we have for firmware. This is just telling us what kind of firmware is installed on our particular device. And let's look at some more. Alright, we have another one here for hardware, so let's take a look at hardware. This one's just giving us information on our hardware, if you have any cards installed, what their firmware versions and software versions are, what part numbers they are. This can be a really good way to find out information about a particular card. Say if you need to RMA a card, if one goes bad and you need to replace it, this is a good way to find the exact part number without pulling that card out. So let's look at some more here. Okay, so we have a few other options. We have routing engine information, MAC address, PIC, and let's look at location. Okay, so we don't have any location information actually configured on the device. What this shows is information that you have actually configured on the device that describes where it is in your network, where this piece of equipment is located.